I mean, so many incredible delegates up there tonight. You've been there. So what is going through the delegates' heads right now as they wait to hear if they're moving on to that next round?
I mean, it's
Wala
so
nagbanggit ng
nerve-wracking.
Thailand.
This is
Ah,
a huge
very
step,
good.
Zuri. This is from 30 to 12. That's more than half. So you want to be really assessing your performance, but what can you do? It's already been done. I think it's just about breathing, being present in the moment. There is no moment that's ever going to be like this.
Yes.
In all of your life, you're standing against some of the most established, capable, powerful women in the world, and you made it this far. So a huge congratulations to our delegates for coming the length of the way that they have.
Absolutely. So well said. I mean, and at this point, just being on this stage is triumph enough, right? These women are representing their countries in such beautiful and impressive ways. So they're all winners in my book at this point. When you think about where you were the year that you took the crown as Miss Universe, what sort of emotions were you feeling at this point backstage?
So much gratitude, so much pride, which is why I'm so grateful that we have an incredible audience here tonight in Mexico City. Because there is absolutely no better feeling than pursuing your dreams up on that stage, but feeling so well supported by your community, by your country. It really lifts up your spirit. It gives you so much pride with every step that the contestants make. And I felt this too. I felt the pride of my country. And this is what Miss Universe is all about. It's showing the capability, the power of women, that they're multifaceted and that they can do so many things. They don't have to be limited to one title.
You don't have to choose. And to that point about not being limited, even things like the age limit, right?
Yes.
Having women as old as 40 years old representing on the stage tonight, that is honestly one of the things that just warms my heart the most. It shows you that regardless of your age, your background, your socioeconomic status,
Yes.
you can absolutely rule the world. You put your mind to it, it's possible.
Exactly, and this is your third year back hosting here at Miss Universe. Does it ever get any different?
It just gets better every year, you know? You fall in love with these countries, you fall in love with these women, the stories that they share, the platforms that they're raising awareness for. And what's really fascinating to me as someone who's really big on women's empowerment is I learn new things. Every time these ladies get up on stage and talk about what matters to them, what they carry on their hearts, what's important to their countries, I'm walking away learning a little bit more about what matters to the rest of the world. And I think that's awesome.
Oh, it's incredible. It's what Miss Universe is all about. And we love to see opportunities for these women to really pursue their goals and whatever advocacies and causes are close to their heart.
Absolutely, where the future is bright for all of them. I know that for sure. And it looks like the results are in. So let's go ahead and head over to Mario and to Libya.
30 delegates competed in the swimsuit competition, and now we are going to be finding out which 12 are moving forward.
The judges have made their picks.
The first delegate moving on in the competition is
Philippines!
Bolivia!
Oh my God! This is it! Come on! Chelsea! Chelsea! Kemis ka pala, ah! Chelsea, come on!
The next woman heading on in.
P.
Mexico!
Talaga! Malamang! Of course, you're in your country. What the heck? Of course, you don't want to get embarrassed. Because you're in your territory. Of course! Sige! Samantalahin nyo! Kaloka! Come on, Chelsea!
The third
Chelsea!
delegate to advance is
Come on!
Venezuela!
Talaga ulit? Ano ba yan? Puro mga taga-Spanya. May puro mga Spanish language. Luto na naman to, punyemas. Puro mga kaparehas nila ng salita. Don't be cooking show, I'm telling you.
Moving forward in the competition.
Your audience gonna go down if you, don't call Philippines. Ha? Puro sila. Oh my God, see, live in Mexico for 4 years. Malamang. Come
The
on.
next competitor heading to evening gown is Puerto Rico.
Bakit ganon? This is a cooking show. No way, highway. This is all Spanish language people. Why? Make it fair. What the heck? Puro mga Latina. Ano to? Kakaloka kayo. Dapat kayo na lang nag-Miss Universe. Di nyo na kami sinali.
Advancing to the next round. Nigeria.
La! Sa inyo? Sige, magpasok tayo ng ibang para hindi halata na puro kayo Latina dyan. Michael Cinco, anong ginagawa mo? Make it Ano ba yan? Hindi ako natutuwa. Papasukin nyo.
Only half the spots remain. The next selection is
Mawawala viewers nyo.
Russia.
Malamang. Nakapasabugan kayo ni Putin. Come on. Ba yan?
The
Nakakainis.
next delegate heading to the next round is
Philippines!
Chile.
Ha? Oh my God. Come on, Chelsea. Mawawala talaga audience nito Miss Universe na to eh. I am telling you, your audience gonna go down if you don't call Miss Philippines.
Our
She
ninth
deserves
spot
this.
Goes to
She deserves this. She's really good.
Thailand.
Talaga pa! Ipasok nyo ngayon yung Philippines, ha? Ipasok nyo ngayon. Pinasok nyo yan. Ipasok nyo yung Philippines. Put it Philippines. Put Philippines after her. Ipasok nyo ngayon. Hindi pwedeng walang kalaban to. Ipasok nyo yan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, mawawala viewers nyo.
Taking the next step towards the crown is
Philippines, ipasok nyo. Sinasabi ko na.
Denmark.
Tangina. Tangina. Kailangan nyo marinig kung paano magsalita si Chelsea. Ipasok nyo. You need to see her costume. Ipasok nyo.
2 spots left.
Tangina, dalawa na lang.
One of them goes to
Ipasok nyo.
Canada.
Tangina, isa na lang. Mawawala yung viewers nyo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, mawawala.
And this is it. The final spot in the top 12.
Come on!
The last woman
Come on.
advancing is
Come on!
Peru.
Tangina, bye! Okay, bye! Bye! Oh, wala na tayong pag-asa. Okay, bye! Big walk! Mawawala viewers nyo ngayon.
Congratulations to our top 12.
Let's see what Serene Catriona has to say. Oh wow, what an
Medyo malungkot si Catriona, oh. You can, medyo ano,
We'll be right back.
medyo malungkot siya, oh. Pak. Wala na kayong viewers ngayon. Sulta. Ina. Ina. Bakla, hindi nyo binigyan ng chance. Hindi nyo binigyan ng chance